Between arrangements for campsites, fuel stops and meals, and planning activities and events along the way, not to mention the unexpected emergency that may arise, there's a lot of planning involved in these long-distance treks. Luckily, shouldering the entire burden of planning such a getaway isn't an RVer's only option. For those so inclined, taking advantage of one of Fantasy RV Tour's guided RV vacations could be the perfect way to have your cake and eat it too.
An RV tour is an escorted tour with a leader and someone traveling at the end of the caravan. We call them the tail gunner couple. We travel together, not nose to nose or bumper to bumper, but we travel on the same itinerary with planned stops. We take care of the campground reservations and excursions, bus tours, boat tours, all of the highlights of any particular area. And basically, all an RVer has to do is just show up. We do the rest. All the planning is done.
From the excitement of adventuring and the impossible beauty of the scenery to one-of-a-kind experiences in all shapes and sizes, there is much to discover and much to experience on any RV tour. Yet what truly makes this type of caravan tour such a meaningful experience for so many is something that you will hold on to long after the final days of your trip have come to an end.
RVers tell us at the end of their tour that one of the things they like the most is sitting around at night talking with their friends about what they did that day, whether it was fishing or golfing or whatever they did that day, and perhaps having a barbecue all together and having a campfire, telling the stories, having sing-alongs, and just sharing those moments that are so special during this time of bonding.
When we travel by ourselves, it's fun and we enjoy it, but it's more fun to travel with others.